Welcome to Synthetic Oil Protection. I'm your host, Eben. Today with Matt. We're back again with this beautiful, beautiful pickup truck. This is round 2 with a new truck. First thing we're gonna do, the power cleaning trio. We're just yanking off this throttle body housing. We're gonna get that out of the way. Yep. We're popping off our mass airflow sensor, and what this does, this registers how much oxygen is going into the engine. Check engine light's gonna come on, but it's gonna stall out, so we're just gonna show we can still run the motor without the mass airflow sensor on. But Matt's gonna keep her at about 1800 RPM.
Oh, wow, how much is coming out? Dale, how much shit's coming out of there? Yeah? How much shit came out, dude?
What this does is this cleans the piston tops. This also gets rid of sticky rings. It can get rid of sticky valves. If you have a valve that's clogged up, exhaust valves, the exhaust valves get a lot of carbon on them. This right here completely wipes those suckers clean. Compatible with all 2 and 4 cycle engines, string trimmers, weed whackers, any engine you can dump it into and pour it into. The most important thing is that you don't ever get it on a mass airflow sensor or any electronics, because that can mess with the whole operation of the engine and the computer. So given you don't get it on there, you're bulletproof. You can use it on carbureted, multi-port fuel injection. If you have a direct injection car or a turbo car, there's another additive that you spray in. Check out this video right up here. Time for the smoke show. Let's start her up. Oh yeah, choking, spitting, and gagging is a normal thing because it's got to get rid of all that junk.
Oh, damn.
Take a look back here. You're gonna see the smoke over here. All those years of carbon mineral buildup are coming out. And you can give her a little gas, Matt. Keep her at about 2,500. Woo! Smelly stuff.
Cool. So it's good. All that shit came out.
And goodbye to the old dark charcoal. This is our old oil that was in this truck, which was meticulously maintained. Every 3,000 miles, they change the oil on it. And that's our old oil. Get some good old driving impressions from our good man Matt. If you haven't seen the videos of Matt, they're really good. We got his Toyota Tundra on the channel. Now we're on to another little project. Only got 165 on her.
No, it's really got 200,000 though.
Oh, all right.
It's got about 200.
200, all right.
Yeah, I had to put a new dash in there before I got it. Do you want me to hammer her down or just go?
No, just try normal.
All right.
Let's see how she runs.
It's running good.
Check engine lights off, which we just reset. Took off the negative battery cable and that resets it. Just when you take off your intake hose to go into the motor, when you take off that mass airflow sensor, it throws the check engine light, which is totally normal.
Woo! It's hot out today.
Yeah.
Huh? Oh my God.
It's man. We put a couple miles on this little angel. Let's see how she runs. Go ahead and give her some throttle. How's she running?
She's running great.
Awesome.
Very good.
Awesome. So that's a good cleanup that you can do on any vehicle. If you have the turbo or direct injection, there's another spray additive you want to use. You can check out that video right here. Definitely subscribe. We're going to come back and do a follow-up with our good man Matt, and we'll see you back next time.
All right.
Right here on Synthetic Oil Protection. Cheers to protection, protection, protection.